Today I'm going to start installing an amp rack in the back of my Mini. I've already done the rear back seat delete, and the amps have been in, they're mounted on the side panels. You can't really see, I've already taken them out. And I've already made the board, I've got the structure built for it below. Today I'm going to flush mount the amps in that board and carpet it. Here are the amplifiers. A pair of older Alpine V12s. There's a T500 for the subs, an F250 for the high. They happen to be the same size heatsink, so they should match nicely. I have marked my board out for where I want to make my cuts. I'm going to draw a line down the middle and across at 11 so I can find my center, and then I'll measure up from there. My amps will measure 10 by 9.5, and that'll be the hole I'll be cutting out. That's actually larger, so the amps will sit flush in the bottom. And I'll measure that out now. This should be where my amps will sit. Measure them a little bit wide so that when I tuck my carpet in, it will tuck underneath. Alright, I'm going to pre-drill my corners so that I can have a place to start my jigsaw. Now that I've got my hole started, I'm going to go ahead and cut out my squares. Now I got the holes cut out. Go ahead and clean it off a little bit. And we'll see how an amp fits. I think that'll look really good. Now I need to build some spacers to set the amp away from the board on the bottom. Alright, so what I've got here is a couple of little 1x shim strips, and they seem like they're going to be about the right size, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, as you can see, the amp fits fairly flush in there. I'm happy with that. Once I get everything screwed down, I think they'll look pretty good. A little bit of extra room on the ends, but I think the carpet will cover it up and it won't look too bad. So I dug through my scrap wood pile and I found 4 shim strips that will work just fine. Just need to cut them to length. Alright, I've got my shim strips measured to length. I'm going to go ahead and cut them off now. Okay, I'm getting ready to mount the strips. Got these C-clamps, not C-clamps, but angle clamps. Use that to secure it, and then I'll pre-drill and secure the shims to the board. Alright, time to pre-drill. I'm going to go ahead and countersink them so they look. Go ahead and secure them. Some 1/4 inch and quarter drywall screws I have. I think I'm going to go ahead and add a screw in the center also. Alright, so I've got my spacers put in. I'm going to fit my amps and go ahead and pre-drill my holes for the mounting screws, and we'll get them put in. And that's what it looks like. Gonna do a little bit of touch-up work. I want to paint around the edges that show, just in case the carpet doesn't cover it. And we'll tidy it up, and then we'll get it carpeted. Okay, so I've got my paint dried up fairly quickly. I'm gonna flip it over. I gotta attach some mounting blades here for the supports. Time to put down some carpet. I'll be using 3M high strength 90 contact adhesive. You need to spray both surfaces, let it get tacky, and then put it together. Make sure you spray the back of the carpet too. Once both pieces have got tacky, you can assemble. And lay it out. I'm going to be stapling mine to the bottom side. Doesn't look too bad. Need to tuck up a little bit on that side, maybe a little bit over here. Now we just need to cut out for our amps. So we're going to jump ahead a little bit here. I had a little hiccup where my battery died and I didn't realize I had stopped recording. As you can see, I've cut both holes into the board with the carpet now, and I've already stapled it to the back. Just folded the carpet over, stapled it, made it flush. Looks nice. I'm going to go ahead and test fit an amp here and show you what it looks like. So this is just one of the amps one of my test amps sit in here. The two actual amps that are going to go on the board are still in the car right now. I'm going to mount them up in a little bit, but it turned out quite well. Very nice and smooth across there. Fits in there nice. I'm happy with that. Now I'll go ahead and undo the other amps and get them mounted to the board, and we'll show you how it goes together. Turned out pretty nice. I'm happy with it. Here's the current subs that are going to be in it. They match the amps with. Thanks for watching.